Hello, my kindergarten friends. I hope everyone is doing well. I miss you all so much. I hope you had a great vacation week. And now that we are moving into hybrid, boys and girls, you probably are aware that our specials are going to be recorded, which means you won't actually see me live on Zoom, but you're going to watch me and hopefully follow along with my lesson and then try playing it on your own at home with your grown-up. Okay, so that's going to be something different. Let me share my screen with you, boys and girls. So the first thing we're going to do, since we haven't seen each other in a while, is just do a little reviewing of some of our computer parts. And let's talk about this one. Remember, this is like your eyes. It helps you to see what's on the computer, and it is called a monitor. The next important computer part, boys and girls, when you're moving it around your screen, it looks like an arrow. That fancy word is called a cursor, and that is attached to your mouse. And remember, your mouse can click, it can drag, and it can scroll with the wheel. Some of you might also use a trackpad for that. Sometimes your mouse, boys and girls, looks like an arrow, but sometimes it looks like a hand or a link, and a link will take you somewhere. So those are like the hands for the computer. This is also like your hand, boys and girls. This is your keyboard, and we're going to be using the keyboard today to start tapping out the first 4 letters of the alphabet. So let's think about our alphabet, boys and girls. We're singing our alphabet song, just the first 4 letters, A, B, C, D. That's all we need today because those are the ones we're going to be practicing. We'll talk about that in a few minutes. We also have our ears that help us to hear on the computer. Headphones or speakers do that. And don't forget your brain. That is called the CPU, which looks like this. And it is the part of the computer that helps your computer to process things or do things. And that's the brain of the computer. Just like your brain helps you to process and do things. And right now, we're going to try that to do something right now. So here, boys and girls, is our school website. And this is going to be really important for everybody to have posted somewhere. You can write it down on a little piece of paper. Once you get to our school website, you want to make sure that you make it one of our favorites by pressing this little star. And once you do that, boys and girls, it will be somewhere up here in your bookmark bar. So you want to make sure that this is written down for you somewhere. I'm going to give you a couple of seconds to get a piece of paper and write that down. But if you don't write it down in time, this is recorded, so you can go back in the recording to find it. You can also Google it, boys and girls. If your grown-ups help you to go to Google, you could just type in Fort Banks School, Winthrop, and you'll find us. So there's a couple of ways to get to our website. But this is going to be really important for as we go on through the weeks, boys and girls, to have that saved. When you do get there, this is where it will take you. This is our school website. So see right up here, that's what we call an address, a web address. And see how mine is bookmarked right there with the blue star? That means it's up here in my bookmarks. I have lots of bookmarks. So hopefully you don't have so many and you can find our school right there. And then we're going to go to our computer button. And we're going to click on kindergarten. And when we do that, boys and girls, you will see your learning target today is to try to practice using your mouse and your keyboard to navigate. And we're starting our next unit on letters. So we're going to be working with keyboard letters A through D, and we're going to be using our left hand to do that. And then I have a matching game with upper and lowercase letters. So look at this alphabet strip. You might have one of these at home, boys and girls, and if you do, you might want to take it out for this activity, but you are matching your uppercase letters with your lowercase letters. Okay, but we're going to start right here with the keyboard zoo. Now, when we go to that game, boys and girls, you're going to see a keyboard, and half of the keyboard is covered in blue, and the other half is covered in red. And we're going to be working with the blue letters for a little while. And the first 4 letters of the alphabet are all blue. And look where they are on the keyboard. There's A. Look at B way down there at the bottom row. C, D, right on top of C. So A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. That's all we're practicing today, boys and girls, the first 4 letters. Okay, so when you click on that game today, right here, it's called Keyboard Zoo. Look at the keyboard. This is your blue side. That means it goes with your left hand, and your pink or red side goes with your right hand. But we're only worrying about A, B, C, D. These are what we call your target letters. I'm going to press go. Takes me into the Keyboard Zoo. Share my sound with you. I'm going to press play. Little tune going. Press go.
Welcome to Keyboard Zoo.
You're going to do letter names today, boys and girls. That's what's going on.
Letter names.
You're going to type these letters on the keyboard. You're going to get that left hand ready. Remember the left hand, pointy finger, find the A. Watch what happens when I start tapping it.
A.
They say the letter name for you.
A.
Off they go. Here comes.
A is for anteater.
An anteater is A, boys and girls. Remember, this is the Keyboard Zoo, so we're going to reveal lots of animals. A was for anteater. Here comes the letter B. I still have my left hand. I'm looking for that B. Everybody see it? Tap it.
B.
And there it goes. Let's see what our B animal is.
B is for bear.
B is for bear. I'm going to keep going now. I'm on C. I've got 2 more letters to go. Here, let me find C. It's at the bottom row, just like B was.
C.
C will be.
C is for crocodile.
I was thinking cat, but they gave us a crocodile. All right, here comes my last letter for today, boys and girls. Remember, we're just doing the first 4. It's a D. Look where D is. It's right in that middle row where the A was.
D.
And D is for dolphin.
Dolphin.
Boys and girls, when you see the dolphin, you are done. D for dolphin, D for done. You're going to take your mouse and you're going to click out of your Keyboard Zoo. You're all done. That's just a little warm up, boys and girls, that we're going to be doing over the next several weeks. We only spend about 5 minutes doing that. So when you hit D, A, B, C, D, you are done. We're coming over here now to our game. This is an ABC-ya. I'm going to press play.
Uppercase and lowercase letter matching.
I'm going to press go.
Help the children get the color back. Click and drag the lowercase letters to the matching uppercase letters. Each match you make will add a little more color. Match all 26 letters of the alphabet to get all the color back.
So this game, boys and girls, you're going to do all the letters of the alphabet. So if you think about our alphabet strip up here, we're doing all of them. And does anyone know how many there are? If you said 26, you were right. So in this game, boys and girls, they did the A for us. I'm going to find my B. And again, if you're not sure what your uppercase and lowercase letters look like, go to your strip if you have one of these at home, or you can use this one. But I find the match. There it is. That looks like a B. I'm going to pick up my B. Now I have to drag it and just put it next to the uppercase B. Oh, I got to touch it. Make it touch. There we go. So make sure that the letter touches, boys and girls. If I go next to it like that, it falls down. So make sure you drag it and touch it. And see how the colors are starting to come into the picture? This one's a
D.
Duh. And here comes my E. There's my first set. Now here comes my next set. And I just keep coloring, boys and girls, until you get to the letter Z. And then you're done with your computer games for today. So again, you're going to go to our school website, click on Computers and Kindergarten to come here to our kindergarten page. This is game number 1. You're going to practice A, B, C, D. When you are done, D for dolphin, you come over and see if you can color in by matching your upper and lowercase letters. Okay, boys and girls, I hope you enjoy those letter games today. Remember, we're going to be practicing that keyboarding for several weeks, and we're just starting today with the first 4 letters. A, B, C, D for dolphin, done. And then you can go on to the rainbow picture. Okay, I hope everybody has a great day. Bye-bye.